Hi guys, this is TJ. It was a good day for me. I got 30k. Uh, so let's directly go to the charts. Uh, it was an volatile day today. Like the Bank Nifty was moving in every direction. So let's see. So if you can see, the Bank Nifty opened gap up, and then within few minutes it went down. So if you can see from 750 to almost 550, so it was like 200 points it fall, and then again it immediately recovered. So it was like um, it was very difficult to trade at this starting, because it was a very volatile, and then it started moving down, and yeah. So if you can see, it was very volatile today. Somehow I managed to uh, came out profitable. So let's go to my trades. So if you can immediately when Bank Nifty opened, since it gapped up, what I did was I shorted puts here, and my puts was immediately profitable. I got 30 points. So what I did was immediately I trailed my stop loss, and my trade when I trailed stop loss, the stop loss got hit in the put. So this is what happened at the starting. So I went and so since Bank Nifty gapped up, I went and short, and I was bullish because all other global cues was bullish. So I shorted put, and uh, I shorted put at 165, and this one moved to 135 or 130. Then I moved the stop loss to 170. I trailed the stop loss, so but immediately the Bank Nifty reversed, and my this 170 stop loss got hit. So if you can see here, yeah. So this stop loss got hit. Okay. So what I did was immediately after my stop loss got hit, I shorted my star shorted a 34,600 call, and for that the stop loss got okay. This 34,600 call I shorted at 129, and I covered it up around 116 with some 13 points profit. So these are my system trades, which I execute daily at 9:30, and these are my stop loss for my system trades. You can see the stop loss got hit within 2 minutes, and so uh, after this 34,600 for the discretionary trade, after this 34,600, I got profit of 13 points. I moved to 34,600 put. So if you can see here, uh, at 9:30, okay, so it reverts from at 9:30. I was expecting like it will reverse from here, because if you can see here, this was the main resistance zone yesterday. So I expected like the Bank Nifty will reverse from here. So uh, and when I checked the OI data, it was also bullish. So what I did is at this particular point, I shorted put. So at 99, I shorted 34,600 put at 99, and I covered it at 78. And I rolled to 34,700 put, which was trading around 122. Uh, okay, and this is my this one I took a strangle. Usually I will take this kind of strangles on expiry days. So I went and shorted at the money. You can say I will do straddle. This is strangle because the Bank Nifty was between 15,750 and 15,800. So I went and shorted these two. Okay, so whatever the 34,700 put, I shorted, I covered it around 103. uh, so I got some 20 points here. So if you can see why I closed it, I closed it at this point at 10:56. uh, so if you can see, I closed it, and then I don't remember why I closed it here. Yeah, so the Bank Nifty, since Bank Nifty reverse from this particular point, I was thinking like it will reverse again from there, and I closed the put, and I didn't short call. I was thinking like let's see. So at 12:13, I shorted this 34 500 call. Uh, so which was trading around 158. Uh, and so whatever the strangle I took, I closed the profit making one 15800 call, which was trading around 10.4, and I shorted 36 15750 call. So in this way I will adjust based on the market movements. So whatever, then let's go to this discretionary trade, 34 500 call, which I shorted at 158. At 12:30 I closed it around 140, uh, and then I moved to 34 500 call. I closed this one, and I shorted a 34 500 call, which was trading around 164. uh, so and immediately after some time, like at 12:55, I closed it, because if you go to 12:55, again if you see here at this particular point, the Bank Nifty, this was also this major resistance point of yesterday. So I expected like the Bank Nifty will reverse from here, and I shorted, I closed the call, and I closed this particular call, and I moved to 34 600 put. And these two are the at the money put I shorted at 1 o'clock. This straddle I took because I was expecting like a Bank Nifty is in range bound, so I shorted this straddle. Okay, so yeah, and I took a lot of other trades. So on expiry day, I will take a lot of trades. So in the discretionary also, I got a good profit of some 20K, I think. And at the end of the day, if you can see, I will go and short out of the money calls or puts. So I will show you that. So if you can see here, I at 252 or 250, I just shorted out of the money 34 700 call and 600 put. So with this, with the strict stop loss of I will put a strict stop loss for this kind of trades, because on the expiry day, at the end of the day, you can see gamma reaction. So yeah, these are my trades. You can try to decode my trades if needed. Yeah, so overall at the end of the day I got 30K. Yeah, thanks guys, that's it.